Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable notifications and alerts in Cleo. Cleo's notification keeps you informed about your spending, saving progress, budget limits, and upcoming bills. You can receive alerts via push notifications, in-app messages, or through the chatbot in real time. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. First, granting permissions in your phone settings. Now for iOS devices, that's the iPhones, you got to open your settings app, and then you're going to scroll down and tap Cleo. Then you're going to tap notifications and just toggle on allow notifications, and then you're going to need to choose your preferred alert style. It could be banners, lock screens, notification centers, and sounds. For Android users, what you got to do is to open your settings app, and then you're going to tap apps, find Cleo from the apps and click on that, and then click on notifications, and then you're going to enable show notifications, and then customize channels like spending alerts, bill reminders, and savings update. Now for customizing alerts in Cleo app, what you got to do is open the Cleo app first, and then tap the three lines menu icon that's at the top right corner, and then you're gonna select settings or notifications, of course depending on the version. And once that's done, you want to enable or disable the alerts that you want. You can have budget tracking alerts, low balance alerts, savings reminders alerts, bill due warnings alerts, and Cleo's challenge updates. For using the chatbot for alerts, you can also type things like turn on spending alerts, or you can type notify me when I overspend, or you could type what alerts can you send me. Now a quick tip, you can mute notifications temporarily, of course, like during vacations and stuff. You can do that via the app settings. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.